Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce CRM. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to be familiarized with Salesforce. So there are some process. So first, it starts with creating contacts, and basically from here where you organize your relation or customers contacts. So and from these contacts, you can start creating your own accounts. So basically, those are some accounts, and from you can create by clicking always on you. So in any tab or any objects, you can simply click on the tab, and then you can start creating new. So from here, you can start creating contacts. You fill in the information and you click save, and now you have created it. So after that, you go for an account. So from an account, you will need just choose the account name, and from here you can start adding the phone numbers, and you can have the address information, etc., etc., and you just fill in the information and click save, and then it starts to go to from accounts and contacts into going to leads. So from here you can start creating leads, and it will concern some lead source, which would be some accounts or contacts, and you can start creating your own leads. And now when you create your own leads, you can convert them to opportunities. So basically, you can simply go to opportunities, and you can start going on creating again by just clicking new, and you choose the lead that take you to this opportunity, and you start filling the information, and you can uh, use them. And basically for each object, it will have some specification. So if we go and click on this contact, we will find all the details concerning this, and we will see if it has related to any campaign, to any opportunity, etc. And the same would go for the leads and the accounts and every aspects in this uh, CRM or any aspects in Salesforce. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.